Pet care companies were booming during the pandemic as consumers capitalized on quarantine time by adopting a furry friend and buying them everything from fancy new leashes to, yes, shoes. But as return to office ramps up, how will this impact Fido's lavish lifestyle? Petsmart CEO J.K. Symancyk joins us now. J.K., good to see you in person at the Yahoo Finance studio. So how is demand right now?
Demand is strong. Our business is actually experiencing some of the strongest growth on a 3-year basis that we've had, and continues to strengthen as we move through the back of the year.
It's interesting because we're not hearing that across the board, right? Certainly in other types of retail industries, but even within pet care, it seems like at the margins, people's spending patterns are starting to change.
Yeah, look, I think that's fair. I think consumers are starting to make some of those choices as it relates to discretionary versus non-discretionary items, but premiumization, humanization continue to drive growth in this industry. It's a great industry, maybe the best in North America. 90 million households, over $100 billion spent each year. We love our pets, just like the rest of our family, and when we continue to spend money there and try to make them happier each and every day.
Do you view the business as recession-proof?
I would call it a resilient industry. I think we continue to see people make choices to put their pets ahead of themselves and find ways to involve their pets in more of their lives, and that has continued to drive growth for the last 15 plus years. I believe it'll continue to drive growth.
Do you see any trade down of purchasing habits from those consumers, from the pet owners out there?
No, pet parents are looking for more ways to share moments with their pets. We recently fielded a study and found that 76% of pet parents are planning on dressing up their pets for Halloween, and over a third of them are planning on doing more of that than they did last year. So, we still find these moments to celebrate, and I think, they make choices, but we're still seeing pets be strong.
What is the top-selling Halloween outfit for your pet right now?
The top-selling Halloween outfit for your pet is still something tried and true. It's pumpkin. It's anything animal-related. My dogs will be Ariel and Ursula from The Little Mermaid.
Nice. Oh, that's a good one. And while I may, a word of recommendation for the Tompkins Square Park Halloween Dog Parade. Yes. Fantastic, right here in the East Village. It's a long time.
Absolutely.
Good one. You also, of course, have a veterinary franchise in some of the stores. And so what are some of the trends that we're seeing there? Because obviously that's also a big spend for a lot of people when it comes to their pets.
Look, our pets are continuing to multiply, and veterinary access is one of the biggest priorities for pet parents. What we've launched with Petsmart Veterinary Services adds to what is the largest base of veterinary hospitals in any pet retailer. We've got over 750 locations already. It actually will revolutionize, I believe, what veterinary care looks like, because it will put ownership back in the hands of the vet in an independent ownership model that will actually not only cover dogs and cats, which are important, but all exotic species as well. And given that that's the business we're in, we'll do anything for pets. We want to make sure that we have that level of access for our customers.
One of the biggest disruption points for pet store businesses has been the delivery model that we've seen from some new incumbents that have come into the industry and just really prioritized being able to ship directly to the consumer's house for anything like a prescription for their pet, or even some of the foods or the toys that they may play with. What has foot traffic looked like? How has that held up over time, even as there have been those plays to really cut into that part of the market?
Our business has really transformed over the last 4 years. We've grown over 40%. One of the key ingredients in being able to drive that kind of growth across our business is actually the ability to meet customers wherever and however they want to shop. We've got stores within 5 miles of over 55% of North America. That puts a lot of inventory very close to the point of demand, and really does enable us to be there when they walk in for services or goods that they want to explore in person, as well as led us to being the first retailer in the country to offer same-day delivery service to our customers. So digital is a big part of our growth. It's grown over 40% year to date, and 3-year stacks of 300%.
J.K., finally, I want to ask you about future for PetSmart. And that future could involve, we were talking about Freshpet and this report that it might be up for sale. So I would ask, where are you looking to add on, and or when might you come to public markets?
You know, we're really not talking about what may come. This is a really strong business. Continues to generate significant free cash flow. We've grown over 40% over the last 4 years, growing EBITDA faster than sales, and thankfully have a lot of options available in front of us. We see a similar growth path in front of us and are fortunate to be able to keep those options open and look to continue to evolve and innovate to serve pet parents better each and every day.
Okay, that sounds like you're not answering my question. So not anything, any imminent plans to go public?
We're excited about what the opportunity is and look forward to being able to share a lot more growth stories in the future.
Okay, all right, that's very diplomatic. Thank you so much, J.K. J.K. Symancyk, Petsmart CEO.
Thanks
for being here in person. We really appreciate it.